I'm really excited because it's a new country and it's gonna be our first trip of 2018 together, Sammy and I. And well, let's have fun because I know Sammy is really excited because of the fast cars, the luxury life and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna be a model for the day.
Estamos in Monaco, baby.
Monte-carlo!
Aren't you excited?
Are in Monaco, you guys. Just arrived. It's not too hot, it's not too warm. I think we're gonna have a good time. So we'll see. We're already like close to the port, so we're gonna pick it out.
This is so cool.
There's an escalator in the jardin.
That's crazy.
Jardín, español, inglés, French, I don't know.
What do you think about it so far, baby?
Look at the water right there. Oh my
gosh. Where are we going, baby?
We are going to Le Palais des Princes de Monaco.
We're like at the, where are we? It's in the palace. On the top of
The palace.
I don't know what's it called really, but we're on the Monte-carlo. In Monaco. The top of Monaco right now. It looks immense. This is your street, baby. Look at this. So we have now seen like this. We've seen the village on the top of Monte-carlo. It looks really sick, and look at the view too. I had no expectations because I thought it would just be like concrete buildings, nothing too special. But this is really cool.
Guys, that's really Mexican, and we're in Monaco, okay? I think it's La Arrolladora or El Recodo, I don't Hello. What is this called? The Yachts, and then behind us are like all the like expensive stores like Gucci, Prada, Valentino and stuff, and like a lot of like, it seems like it's a parade of like super expensive cars too. We have the Hotel Paris, and then we have the Hotel Monte-carlo. It's a casino too. And then we have just this amazing cars everywhere, and like it's incredible. Look at this. el casino de Monte-Carlo y el hotel de París. Ah, estamos esperando. Right there. Look.
This is one of the turns, you're right. Right now we are in the Monaco Grand Prix F1 tunnel. This is where they go like full speed. It's so cool to be here, finally. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. Wow, look at this. So today we have been doing Monaco.
I love it. It's a luxury city, guys.
Yeah, I mean, if you like fast cars, like to see the luxury life that the guys live here, then it's a city for you. Also, like, we found out that Monaco has a lot of beautiful gardens, viewpoints, castles, kinda, forts. I mean, even though you don't like fast cars, and it's a really good view, and the water is so clear. I would love to go here in the summer to basically see it again and go for a swim for a while.
Yep.
Tomorrow it's another day and another city. Ooh,
That's
me
really
gusta
cute.
mucho. Damn, that's really cute, baby. Why are you such a good photographer?
I don't
How
know.
come?
Because I'm sexy and I know it. Not just kidding. Just kidding. Come on. Let's go. Let's go home. Ready for the Spanish vlog? Yes.
Okay, go.
Amigos, y les quiero presentar, esta es la GAR, está súper bonita y nos vamos de regreso a Nice. Entonces, hasta luego.
I truly think it's a really cool train station actually. So simple, pretty small, but it looks so clean. I love it.